Pulling back the curtain by myself, take a look. Ayy, I'm a bar spitter, I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark nigga. I'm a wig splitter, I'm a tall figure. I'm a unforgiving, wild ass dog nigga. Something wrong with him, got him all bitter. I'm a bill printer, I'm a grave digger. Yeah, I am what I am. I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again. It's a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. Future took the business and ran it for me. I let Ollie take the aisle, told him brand it for me. I get 2 million a pop and prayed, then I prayed again, baby, Lord. Had a moment, but it came and went. They don't like it no more. Y'all don't wanna play with him, no. They'll be mourning you like 8 a.m. Pinky ring till I get a wedding ring. Whoa, yeah. Love my brothers, cut them in on anything. And you know it's King Slime, Drizzy, damn. Yeah. She just said I'm bad, I hit the thizzle dance, man. Shit. Either hand is the upper hand. Yeah, got a bubble on my other hand. This shit ain't no 100 bands, no. Palace look like Buckingham. Bill so big, I call him Williams for real. Reasons to go crazy, got 1 trillion for real. They been trying me, but I'm resilient for real. I can't go in public like civilian for real. And I hardly take offense. Money for revenge, man, that's hardly an expense. I'll Heyman checks off of all of my events. I like all the profit, man, I hardly do percents. A big part of me resists niggas that I knew from the start. They see what I got and man, it's hard to represent. Fuck what they got going on, I gotta represent. This a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot, shit got super hot.